Hi guys, welcome back to our travel studio. This is TP-Link UH400 portable. Let's unbox it. It's not a 2020 or 2021 product. It's actually an old one. I think it's released on 2018. But the main reason I bought this because of the customer review. I think it's if I share my experience, it will be great for you guys. It's really a cute looking USB hub. I like this. You see this? It's very nice and it's very cute. You guys can see it, right? This USB hub have 4 ports, 3.0 ports and a USB connector. We can flip it out and connect it. The only concern I notice is the wire. The wire is very short. If they given a lengthy one it will be better, but it's a strong wire and a good quality one. If you connect a cooling pad to the laptop it may possible hang. So the wire quality is excellent, so it will be last. Let's connect to the PC. Okay, the things that I connected: a 4 TB hard disk, uh, one cooling pad, one gaming mouse, and a keyboard. I got some benchmarks with and without the hub. I will show you right now. After the benchmark test, I should say that it's a very impressive hub because you can see this means there is no big differences. It's almost showing the same speed, so it's an impressive hub. Okay, guys, I showed you this, and choices are yours. You have to make the right decisions. Which you had to go for, which one you had to go for. Okay, that's all I have to say. Signing off. Bye.